Okay, today I'm going to go and check the Murano for the O2 sensor. Now it's the same bank and same sensor, so I'm guessing I probably have a pinched or broken wire or possibly a broken electrical connector. The only other possibility is that the sensor itself is bad, both the heating element and the O2 sensor. So let's get started. Okay, first thing we're going to do is check the O2 fuse. Make sure that it's not blown. If it is, then that's where our problem is. Now the O2 sensor fuse is right under this, just behind the battery, up against the firewall. It's got 4 clips, one here, one here, one here, and you pop those and flip it up, and boom, there you go. O2 sensor 15 amp. That's that one right there. First, we're going to take off the air intake, 2 little screws. Well, not exactly little. Alright, here is the wire off of bank-2 sensor-2. There is the clip. Alright, I couldn't get my hand up there to show you, but I had to get a screwdriver behind this tab. You can see, and I had to pry it out. You can see it moves. That released this little clip, this little hook. You can see here, and I was able to pull it out. Now I tested the heater for continuity, and it's reading, it's got continuity. All right, I had to use a big old breaker bar with a crow's foot with 7/8 to get up onto that thing. You can see it there, and it worked. Alright, no blockage. Alright, I'm going to use some of this stuff, anti-seize, and if it doesn't solve the problem, then I'll go get a new O2 sensor tomorrow, and this one should come out easily. As you can see, pretty much the same stuff they use at the factory. I'm going to put this on the heat shield bolts too. There looks like they had some on, but it's all dried up. So this stuff's pretty messy, so I advise gloves. Okay, back in it goes. Now I did a preliminary cleaning with some carb clean. As tight as I'm going to get it. Let's unfurl this and plug it back in. Now you can see here, plug. All right, goop. And there it is, the check engine light is out, and after a test drive it hasn't come back on. So problem solved.